Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the cabin filter or the pollen filter on Hyundai iX35. The cabin filter on this car is located in the passenger compartment. It's located behind the glove box. In order to get access to the cabin filter, first we need to remove the glove box. First we need to remove this thing right there. There is two tabs that we need to press and pull this out, and there is two screws that we need to remove. One of them is already removed, that's the other one. You just need to turn it anti-clockwise and then pull it out, and that's how the glove box comes out, and that's the cabin filter right there. To remove the cabin filter cover, you need to push a tab in on that's on the right side and then pull out the cover. And that's the cabin filter right there. Now we need to take out the cabin filter and replace it with a new one. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the cabin filter out. Make sure you put on the new cabin filter with the airflow pointing down. And after you put on the cabin filter, you need to put the cabin filter cover and then put the glove box back on. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.